In this video, I want to show you how to remove the radio of your Chevrolet Trax. So let's get started. First step is to open the small cubby that is on the top, and this cubby has a mat that is hiding some screws under it. So I'll take a screwdriver here and just try to remove this mat. Okay, here we go. Don't lose it. And if we take a look inside, you're gonna find two bolts. Actually, they're not screws, they're bolts. You'll need a 7mm socket to remove them, because these are 7mm bolts. That's how they look. Here's the other one. Once you did this, take a flathead screwdriver, could be a butter knife, or even better, a trim removal tool. If they're made out of plastic, you have less chance of scratching anything. And we need to remove this plastic bezel that is around the radio, and this plastic bezel that comes with the air vents. So you're going to find the space between the bezel and the rest of the dash, and you're going to try to glide it right over there and try to pry it. You need a tool that is very thin, okay, so it doesn't scratch. And now you can, once it detaches a bit, you can simply use your hand and start to pull the whole thing out. Here we go. Now you can set this aside. Okay, great. And now we have the radio. Take again your 7mm socket. Okay, oops, make sure that your bolts are not getting lost inside of the dash, but you have one over here, one over there, and same thing on the other side. So you have 4 of them. Here I'm at the scrapyard, I don't mind losing them. But if I was you, I will try to keep them. Great. Now go ahead, take your hand and pull the whole radio unit. On the back, to fully detach the radio, this plug has a tab on the top that you need to press and pull at the same time. You see this tab that is on the top. If you cannot do it with your finger, maybe you don't have nails or I don't know what reason, take your screwdriver and press on that tab. Okay, you see, now it works. For this big plug, you'll need to press on the tab, and then the harness will be able to detach. And we also have, this one that has a release tab, but on the back. And here we go. The radio is out. If you're replacing your radio with another one, you need to keep the side brackets that are over here, okay? You need a Phillips head screwdriver to detach these 2 brackets on this side, and there's 2 on the other side, and you'll need to put them on your new radio. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.